Next is spring. Spring is able to animate automatic bounces. If you want to use a spring, just first select your property, for example scale, and add the keyframe and create your animation, for example here to here. Now select your property and then here click on spring. Okay, now when we play that, as you can see here, it creates bounces here. It's like elastic. When you click on your layer here, in effect controls, we have see this effect. It's elasticity and damping. This elasticity controls the amplitude and the frequency of the animation. If you need more elasticity and more bounces, just you should decrease this damping. For example, if you decrease to 0.2, now when we play that, as you can see, it's like jelly. You can use this spring for other properties, for example, for position. If you want, just change position, for example from here, add a position to here. Now when we select position and again click on spring, now when we play that, as you can see, it creates bounces for position 2. That's good.